Okay, we're going to move into a prone exercise called heel squeeze prone. This may be too challenging if you're having some very serious back problems. Sometimes people can't go face down. But if you're in a position that you can, let's give it a try. It really helps to get the glutes and the hamstrings firing, and it starts to fire up your multifity. So Shannon's going to come up and go ahead, grab your pillow. So if you have a little bit of anterior pelvic tilt, like Miss Shannon, sometimes it helps to have a little pillow underneath your hips. Okay, and then go ahead and scoot back a little bit, I think, Shannon, no, on the pillow. So stay down, just scoot back a tiny bit. There we go. Does that feel okay? Okay, so what we're gonna do is lie down on our belly. Hands are gonna go under your forehead, and you're gonna have your heels together and your knees slightly apart. And I want you to pull your heels to you a little, Shannon, and you're trying, if you can, to get your heels right over your knees. All right, so we're gonna go back to neutral. So we have belly to the back and back to the belly. And again, this is where our little lumbar multifidi lie. And we're gonna be trying to fire those up, feeling the belly to the back, back to the belly. What you're gonna do is inhale. And then as you exhale, you'll squeeze your heels together and gently lift your legs and pull your belly in more. It's very exciting. And then lower down as we inhale. Does that feel okay, Shannon? Good. Let's go again. Exhale, squeeze the heels and lift. Good. And lower down. And again, exhale, press the heels together and just unweight your knees from the ground if you can. And lower down. And again, breathe out, squeeze and lift, and lower down, and squeeze and lift, and lower down. We'll do about 5 more. Exhale, belly to the back, back to the belly. Press those heels together, and then bring the knees back down. And exhale, belly to the back, back to the belly. Lift, and lower down. Now check your shoulders. Exhale, lift. As you lift those legs, make sure they don't start attacking your ears. Keep them down the back. 3 more. Exhale, squeeze the heels and lift and down. 2 more. Exhale, squeeze the heels and lift and down. And then 1 more time, please. Squeeze and lift and beautiful. All right. And if it's okay for your back, you can go back in a child's pose and rest again. That felt okay? Good. That one's always exciting. It never gets not exciting, no matter how many years you've been doing it. Okie dokie. Well, now what we're going to do is some footwork that you might do on the reformer, but we'll just use the foam roller today. So let's get this out the way. And when you line this up, you want to make sure it's either totally on your mat or totally off your mat. You don't want to be rolling over your mat while you're doing this because it makes a big gagunk you don't need to have. So you're going to lie down carefully, and then you're going to bring your heels on the roller. So the alignment we're going for is neutral spine right now. So you want your belly to your back and your back to your belly the whole time. Don't move yet. As we press out, you're going to be using your glutes and hamstrings, that force couple against your abdominals. So your hamstring abdominal force couple keeps your pelvis still in space. So you're going to feel your glutes and hamstrings work as you press the roller out, and then you're going to feel your belly and your back come together to anchor you in the center. What you don't want to have happen is your pelvis tilt forward as you let those bring the roller out. You can actually hurt your back more. But this way you'll be strengthening and challenging your stability in your spine. And it's so easy, isn't it, Shannon? No, she didn't say yes. She almost rolled her eyes on the inside. Okay, here we go. Big inhale. Now exhale, belly to the back, back to the belly. Squeeze it and roll the roller out. Inhale. And then exhale, belly to the back, back to the belly, and roll it in, which is even harder to keep your back from popping forward. Yes? Yes. Inhale. Exhale. Roll it out. Inhale there. And exhale. Beautiful. Roll it in. Inhale. Exhale. hollow the abs down, lift the back up, squeeze the booty. Inhale and exhale. Roll it in. And again, inhale. This is 4. And it will get going off one side or the other sometimes if it's not quite in the middle. I'm going to pull this out here. Good. Inhale and exhale. Roll it in 5. You just have to adjust it. And then exhale. Roll it out. Inhale and exhale. 6. Now, notice she's rolling. Keep going. Inhale. Sometimes we start to try and walk with our legs out. That's not what we want to do. Inhale, exhale, roll it in. Bring your heels back a little bit to you. There you go. 7. Inhale, roll it out. The other thing that will happen is you try and use your front legs and then your legs will pop off the roller. If you're feeling that happen, you want to press your heels down a little more. 8. And roll it out. And roll it in. Doing okay? 9. One more. She's starting to go over the mat, but she's keeping control over it. Very impressive. Inhale and 10. Good. Okay, now we're going to do arches on. So roll it off. And what we're going to do is you're going to wrap your feet all the way around. And I'm going to help you here because it's sliding over. Yep. A little bit more to this way. Are you okay? Oh, wait. No, I pull it too far. All right. Inhale. Now, when you're ready, exhale. You're going to roll it out and keep your toes pointed. Inhale. And now when you roll it back, you're going to roll and reach your heels to the ground so they stay around the roller. It may feel a little weird. So stay there, Shannon. Lift your heels up a bit, as high as you can. Yeah, we don't want to do that right now. You want to keep your heels reaching down. Perfect. Inhale and exhale. Press it out and point. Inhale and exhale. Belly to the back, back to the belly, and reach your heels to the ground. This is good for our ankle muscles as well. Inhale and exhale. Press it out. 3. Inhale. Exhale. Pull it in. Reach those heels to the ground. Inhale. Exhale. Press it out. 4. Inhale. Exhale. Reach those heels to the ground. Breathe in and breathe out. 5. Breathe in and breathe out. Heels reach down. Relax the ankle muscles. Inhale and exhale. Hollow the abs. Squeeze the hamstrings. Inhale and bring it in. Inhale and roll it out. Inhale and roll it back. 3 more. Inhale and roll it out. Inhale and roll it back. 2 more. Inhale and roll it out. Inhale and roll it back. And you may have to feel like you stick your tush out to keep neutral so your lower back doesn't go jamming into the mat. Inhale and roll it out. Inhale and roll it back. 1 more. Inhale, roll it out. Inhale and roll it back. Okay, because we haven't done enough, we're doing a little more. We're going to do toes on. So you're going to put your toes on, and it's like you have Barbie feet or high half toe in your ballet shoes. Lift the heels up nice and high. Inhale, and now exhale. Press out and point the toes. Your heels may or may not reach. Inhale, and now exhale as you come back. You're going to lift the heels off and feel your calves work. Inhale, and reach it out long too. Inhale, and now pull back and lift those heels up. Are we feeling a workout here? Inhale, reach it out. 3. Does it feel okay on your lower back? Good. Inhale and exhale. Reach those heels up. Inhale and reach it out. Inhale. Roll to the roller. Lift the heels. 5 more. Press it out. Breathe in. And roll it back up. 4 more. Breathe in. Roll out. Breathe in. Lift those heels. 2 more. Breathe in. And reach it out. Breathe in. And lift the heels. Last one for fun. It's getting away from you. We'll let you do one more. Breathe in. And lift it up. Good. All right. I'm going to come help. Slide it over. You got it? All right. Now we're going to do turnout. Heels together, toes apart. You're going to keep your heels kissing together. You're going to keep your belly to your back and your back to your belly. And as you go out, you're going to feel like you wrap your tush from behind. Reach through those toes. Inhale. And then as you come in, knees are about as wide as your shoulders and belly to the back, back to the belly. Gorgeous. Again, inhale and exhale. Press out. Inhale and exhale. Pull in. Heels come off. Yeah, even more fun. And press it out. 3. Looks like she's not doing anything. That's because she's doing it so beautifully. And pull it up. She's working hard though, aren't you? Inhale and exhale. 4. Inhale and exhale. Lift those heels. Her abs are working, her back's working, her hamstrings are working, and her feet are working. 5. Inhale and bring it in. Yeah, walk it in a little bit. Nice. Inhale and 6. Inhale and bring it in. Inhale and 7. Inhale, bring it in. Inhale and 8. Inhale and bring it in. 2 more, please. Inhale and 9. Inhale, bring it in. 1 more. Inhale and 10. Inhale, bring it in. Nice. Rest. All right. Are we up for a little more? Okay. So we're going to try one leg at a time. This is kind of advanced pressing the roller in and out. So if that was exciting enough for you, stop, skip this part. Otherwise, we're going to have one heel on, and the other leg, if you can, you're going to bring it up to tabletop. Now, another way that you can do this is actually put this foot down to the mat. Can you reach it down? And I think we should actually do this today. So you can bring it up to tabletop if you can handle that much weight on your lower back. But if it's, you've got a lot of issues going on there, keep this foot down. I think let's try that. Okay. Deep breath. Your foot is flexed. Now you're going to exhale and try straighten that roller out. Inhale. And then exhale, roll that roller in. Good. Breathe in. And exhale, roll it out. And now you've got all sorts of other things to deal with because one leg is never the same as the other leg. Bring it in, yeah? And again, breathe in, press it out. And I'm going to help you here. I want to slide this over a little bit so it's a little more even. Inhale, we should have done that in the beginning. And again, breathe in and press it out. 4. Breathe in and pull it in. Breathe in. And 5. Breathe in. And by the time you're done with this, your transversus should be really fired. Inhale. Exhale. 6. Inhale. And exhale. Bring it in. Inhale. Exhale. 7. Inhale. Exhale in. Inhale. And 8. Inhale. And in. 2 more, please. 9. 1 more time. Good. Inhale and bring it in. Nice. Okay. Slide the roller over a little bit and we'll do the other leg here. Try there. So the right leg is down, the left heel is going to go on here. All right. How's it feel? All right. Inhale. And now exhale. Press out with control. Breathe in and then pull it in. Feels different than the other leg, yeah? Inhale and press it out. Inhale and pull it in. Again, this is 3. Breathe in and pull it in. Breathe in. 4. Breathe in and pull it in. And 5. And it really makes you not skip parts of your hamstring, doesn't it? Inhale. 6. Inhale. And in. Inhale. And 7. Inhale. And bring it in. Breathe in. And breathe out. 8. Breathe in and bring it in. 2 more. Inhale and 9. Inhale and in. 1 more. Inhale and 10. Inhale and in. Excellent. Rest. Good job.